Hello, today is Thursday, August 4th, NQ price action. So after the market opened, the price started grinding down and then find a level right around here. And after that, we saw that the first push through the moving average and did a pullback, and then we saw that another push through, and now we are doing another pullback into the moving average. Right at this here, then I see that there are still some buyers there buying it from this moving average. Now what I'm looking for here is what the price is going to do. If the price is gonna do another one of these like this and then push the price higher to reach probably this level or this level here, or if the price is gonna fail and then went through this trend line here, fail here and went through this moving average line, and then possibly continue the down move here, because we have overall a down move momentum right now, and it can be possible still we may try to see this level here. So those are the thought process before the entering the setup here. Okay, right around here the price, now I see that they keep coming and then keep going up, that showing that the buyers are keep buying it from this level here. They are trying to buy this as a continuation, and I see that now once that bar is printed like that, I see that the buyers are committed right here. And if I was a buyer there, I will put my stop loss right under that green bar here, where that moving average, where is my entry area here. So that can be my stop loss area if I'm a buyer here. But because of the momentum here is a lot more downside than the up, I will prefer to wait the buyer's failure and then try to do short here, which triggered their stop loss here after that red bar here went through. And it also helps that entering on their stop loss, it helps the price move away faster from my entry area, and it also helps reach my target faster. Okay, now break even the trade now. Okay, reach my first target, that was pretty fast. And now I'm looking for that second target is on the bottom level of that move. But I didn't like that push up here. I saw that there are some buyers here because of that. It's a big wick there. And now it is bouncing from the 50 SMA. And I see some sellers too, so there are both sides. We got sellers and the buyers, so it shows that it's gonna be a fight over here. Okay, now another push. Okay, the sellers are trying again one more time. That was pretty close. Okay, I see that after that green bar printed, there are some buyers there too as well, so where these wicks are here. So we may do another retest here before they continue down. Okay, we saw some sellers there. They tried to sell it from that moving average. Okay, now the buyers are pushing really hard here. Oh, they went through the moving average and took me out. That was fast. Yeah, so right after this, they pretty much the same thing for the sellers. Their stop loss area is right around here, which it triggered, and from there the price just probably we're gonna continue up. Yep, so it reached that level there. It actually now they are went through and retesting there again. Okay, after that first push here and then the grinding up here, then the price went down and they retest that low here again, and then we have created this trend line here, and the price went through the sellers pushed through moving averages, and now the price is retesting here. So now I'm looking for some sellers here. If they show up here, they try to sell it from this moving average here, and if they do, then I can enter on their stop loss. Because I'm not thinking short here, because we have the up momentum here now. So we got the first leg, the second leg here. Now we have an up momentum, and right now I want to see some sellers to try to sell it from here, and then I want to see them fail. Once I see them fail their entry, then it can trigger my entry. Okay, there are some more buyers keep buying, and I want to see some sellers. I want to see a red bar here. I want to see went through, possibly it'd be better went through that, trying to that moving average. Okay, there is a red bar printed here. It's a pretty solid bar there. Okay, because you need to see that, you need to feel that the sellers are committing their entries here. You know, once you see that, then it will be a lot easier spotting their stop loss area. So right now I see the sellers now, they try to sell it now. There are more sellers coming in. Yeah, they are trying to push it right now. Yeah, there are some sellers, they are pushing in. Yeah, they are trying to push this prices went through the moving average. Yeah. And then right above here, there are some sellers already. Their stop loss is right there. And now I see that the buyers are so strong, they are trying to pick this up from here. Okay, there are some more sellers coming in. They are trying to push this. And now if I'm a seller here, yes, that will be my stop loss right there. Yeah, that's nice red bar, and then another red bar here. But wow, look at that bar here. It got rejected pretty fast here from that trend line here and the VWAP area here. So if I'm a seller there, I will be worrying right now, and then bring my stop loss close to that moving average or my entry area here. Because now the prices went through and come in and retesting that trend line here, and a possible bounce from here. And for the sellers, they need to buy it through in order for them to exit their position, which is gonna help me through on my trade here. So now I see the buyers are stepping in. Yeah, they push through the buyers when that moving average line here, and then the stop loss area here has got trigger here. And there are some sellers, they still trying to push this through, but I want this bar to print green above that moving average. Yep, that's printed green above that moving average. That's a nice push there. So there are some stop loss orders they triggered from there, and that was my first target there reach. And on the second one, I'm not sure still. I may take it from here on that top level there. Okay, break even now. Yeah, that was a big push there. Okay, I think I'm gonna lower my second target here, because I see some sellers are keep pushing this. Yep, he stopped me out. Okay, on this one here, the price started grinding up here, and then now it is retesting after the went through that moving average and that trend line here. And I'm trying to enter a long here on that retest, on that pullback here. Okay, I'm entered long right now, and I need to see this price went up again, because if this is gonna print a red bar, it is not a good sign. Okay, now it is testing the moving average here, and I really didn't like that red bar, and not at all. Yeah, this is not a good sign. It's like a full bar, so I just exited there, break even. Okay, now buyers are trying to push this through. Okay, that green bar is here. See, after that I need to see this price continue up. So they went through the trend line and they did the retest. Now it should be continue up. If I see some failures, then it shows me that this is not a very strong move here for the buyers. Okay, I saw some sellers, they sell it again on that big green bar right there, and I see some more sellers, they are trying to push this through. So on that green bar here, where the people, they try to buy it here, they buy it from right on that moving average and up, and their stop loss is gonna be right underneath here where these wicks are here, or some maybe underneath that moving average here. So if I see that bar is gonna close red underneath that moving average, then and see through these levels are taken out, then I'm trying to enter a short position here. Okay, I see that red signal bar there went through that moving average. Okay, now they are trying to the level there, and see if there's gonna any buyers is gonna show up here. Okay, I see some buyers here. I really want to see some buyers fail here. Okay, now they are trying to buy it. Yeah, I see some buyers. Yeah, they are buying it. Okay, now I can see a lot easier their stop loss here right underneath this wick here, because I see that they keep buying it. They keep buying from here. Yep, there is my signal there. Okay, see, I see the buyers just committed here, and then if I'm a buyer, then I will put my stop loss right around here where my entry area here. Yeah, that is the stop. Yeah. So now buyers have chance right now to be able to push this price went through. Okay, they got everything. They got the retest from the trend line. They went above that moving average line. They shouldn't be failing right now. If they fail, then I will enter it on their fail. Yep, I see some sellers now. They are trying to push through. Yep, they are trying to push through that, and they started. Yep, they got their stop loss trigger here, and it got me entered as well. Yep, and then when you see that if you are doing correct or not, usually the price goes a lot faster. Like if you are hitting the correct stop loss area, you see that the price just moves away pretty fast from your entry zone here, which helps a lot, because it doesn't give you too much stress and it doesn't give you too much rebounds on your stop loss area. Okay, now the trade is break even, but that was so close to my profit. Man, I don't want them to come and get me out from there. And the 4,000 has a nice red bar printed, went through the moving average. Okay, now the prices already went up, so I kind of moved down a little bit more, and to see if they're gonna try another push through. Okay, they are. Yep, they went through there. Okay, it may give some little bit more push, because there should be some buyers there too. No, I see some buyers here too. I raised my entry here. Okay, they took my profit there. Lower my stop loss here a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty close right now. I don't want the price get back up. Yeah, if it's gonna price went through this level, that'd be fine. If not, yeah, I will take my profit right there. Yep, took me out. Yeah, went to the moving average and went through the moving average. It can be a W forming here too on the 4,000 chart. Okay, so after that push up here, now I had this trend line here, and then the bar just went through this trend line here and moving averages. also. And now I'm trying to maybe enter a short position here on a pullback maybe. I'm not sure if the price is gonna pull back again here or not, but because right now I got this level here, I was kind of looking for if they're gonna went through. Yeah, and this one here, they went through with this one, so I may enter that here on the pullback. And also I see that there are some buyers now buying it here, and the price, if again it went through here, then it may trigger their stop here too. But I entered here right underneath that trend line here, and right above that moving average is my stop there. Okay, I see that the push again from the sellers, and if the prices comes right here, it may do a fast run here. It may trigger the buyer stop loss here as well. Yep, it went through. Okay, that's a nice red bar there. I make it break even there, because from here the price, I'm expecting the price went through. I don't want the price to come back here. If it does, then it is gonna take me out. Yeah, I should have taken that profit there. Because on that 4,000 here, still we have this level here that prices keep bouncing. It can be a W form as well here. And yeah, I see some buyers now stepping in here. I see this wick here, the green bar printed. Yeah, most likely he's gonna take me out there. Yeah, that was fast. Okay, so take me out there. And now I'm gonna try another here, right on that retest here. If I don't see this price went through on that moving average. And yeah, I was waiting a little bit if I see it's gonna go through, but it didn't. So most of the time when I see like a sudden move into the trend line and the moving average, same spot, then usually the price bounces off. So that's why I enter that. It can be a risky trade here too, but my stop is like pretty tight. Yeah, I don't want that anything if the price just jumps over it. So far it is working out. Yeah, the price just has a good rejection from that moving average and the trend line area here. But at the same time, I see still some buyers. They are trying to buy from here. So my trade is now break even, early break even, because this price, I am not 100% that is gonna follow through for the downside. Yeah, it stopped me out there. Okay, right at this point here, after I see that green bar here printed, now I see that the price is trying to break over the moving average and trying to went over that trend line as well. And also I noticed that this was forming a W shape here, and I see that this is printed like a higher high here, and this area here, it can be a trap area here, which this was a fast pull back up there, and now the price is trying to went over the moving average line. So the sellers, that if they try to sell it like me, if they didn't exit their trade here and then they are still hoping this trade is gonna go down, then their stop area is gonna be right above this wick here and right above this moving averages here, or maybe some over the 50 SMA, some over this area here. So because of that, Now I am thinking that maybe I can enter a long position here if I see the price going through this trend line and the moving average here. It would be really nice to see a red bar here again and see some sellers trying to sell it from here. I see some sellers and I see the buyers just keep buying it. And it shows me that, yeah, there are buyers, like the lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and I see the wicks underneath there. Okay, there are some sellers there. They are trying to sell it from here. Yep, that is right there. There are some sellers there. Yep, they are trying to sell it. But the buyers are keep buying it. Yeah, that's a green bar and the wick underneath there. And if you are a seller here, then yeah, you are getting ready to exit your position right there if the price went through there. Okay, one more time push from the sellers here. They try to push it through. And again, if I'm wrong, then I'm not gonna stick around too much and I will be out, you know, after around here. Yeah, maybe this wicks area here. But I really want to see that green bar just went through that trend line and the moving average here. And if it closes like that, yeah, that will confirm my entry there. Yeah, that was a nice push there. That was that stop push there. Stop loss push just went through that very fast. And then sometimes, yeah, it would be more safer if you wait this bar to went through and then enter it on the retest here. But sometimes you never get that chance. And sometimes if you are reading the price action, and then if you are have a good feeling that the price is going up and then they are trying to trap the sellers here, then you can enter it early like I did as well. Okay, my first target is almost there. Okay, now I did break even here. Okay, I see that the price is pushing down. I don't want them to take me out from there with a sudden wick here. But I just want my first contract out so I will get some money. Yep, my first contract is out. Okay, now I can put it break even here, and now I can trail for my second target here. So I see that on the 4,000 chart, we have that 50 SMA line here. That probably that can be a good take profit area because it can be a bounce area there. Usually the price bounce when it first touches there. Okay, that's a nice green bar there. I move my stop a bit. Yep, and it took me out there. And then it just touched that 50 SMA there now. Yeah, and this turned out that it went a lot more